Rupali Industries present B.Nova Swaraj RO+UF+UF+0.01 micron based on technology developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Govt of India. A quality product for healthy families. Their main feature is 7-stage water purification like 5 micron Bnova filter, 0.01 micron UF membrane developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Govt of India. Rupali Aquatic pre-carbon filter, 0.0001 micron RO filtration membrane technology developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Govt of India. Silver activated post-carbon filter, ultraviolet technology, developed by Rupali Aquatic, alkaline technology by Bnova, which increase pH of water. Features: pre-filter process, chemical block pre-carbon filter process, reverse osmosis technology, TDS adjuster, UF process, UV process. There is much more which gives complete protection to your family. Bring it to your home today. For more information, contact us.